Did Outlook suddenly vanish right after you imported a PST file? Don't worry, I will show you how to bring it back and fix this glitch step by step. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you how to fix the issue where Outlook disappears after importing a PST file in Windows 11. Let's dive in. Method 1. Start Outlook in safe mode. When Outlook disappears or closes immediately after importing a PST file, it's usually caused by a corrupted PST, a problematic add-in, a bad view setting, or profile issue. The first thing you can do is start Outlook in safe mode. This checks whether an add-in is causing the crash. Here is how to do so. Press Windows +R to launch the Run utility. Type this in the Run command box and press Enter. If Outlook stays open in safe mode, then go to the next steps to address the issue. Method 2. Reset Outlook views. Corrupt views can crash Outlook instantly, so here is what to do. Press Windows +R, run this command in the Run command box. If that doesn't help, also try Method 3. Repair the imported PST file. If the PST itself is damaged, Outlook may crash when loading it. To fix it, use Microsoft SCANPST tool. Close Outlook, locate SCANPST.EXE. You should find the file usually here. Run SCANPST.EXE. Double-click on it, browse to the imported PST file. Click Start, then Repair. Once done, reopen Outlook and check. If SCANPST finds many errors, run it multiple times until no error remains. Method 4. Create a new Outlook profile. Profiles often break after large or old PST imports. Open Control Panel, then select Mail. Then click Add. Create a new profile. After profile name, provide other details. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Set it as Always use this profile. Open Outlook, attach the PST again and check if that works now. Method 5. Check Event Viewer. You can check the Event Viewer from the errors. Press Windows +X, then select Event Viewer. Go to Windows Logs and then Application. Look for error entries from Outlook or Office. Common faulting modules are these. If you see one repeatedly, it helps pinpoint the cause. Method 6. Office Repair. If nothing helps, repair Office. Open Settings, then select Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on the 3 dots menu next to the Microsoft Office. Select Advanced Options, then Repair. Or you can select Modify, then run Quick Repair. If still broken, select Online Repair. And that's it. You now know how to fix the problem of Outlook disappearing after importing a PST file in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech fixes. Share your experiences in the comments. Your tips might help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.